Hey, Pete here from RC Car Action. I've got some stuff going on the bench. This is a G-made GOM, or at least most of one. I've got some upgrades going on there and some modifications being made. And that includes a Traxxas power system and the TQi transmitter as used in the Traxxas TRX4. And I like this setup because I want to have the Traxxas cruise control function, and I like the trail and crawl modes built into the speed control. So to get this setup to work, I need to tell the receiver that it's installed in a TRX4. And to do that, we'll use the Bluetooth module that's in the transmitter, which you can buy separately for any TQi transmitter. And we'll use the Traxxas Link app, which I've got right here. I'll go ahead and skip this screen. And I've already connected this, so this should just light up as connected as soon as I power up. There you can see the green icon, and that shows that the transmitter is talking to the app. And right now, it's showing a Revo 3.3 as the model selected. Now I'll go ahead and power up the receiver. And I've already updated the firmware in that guy, so the receiver is ready to go. The app will tell you if you need a firmware update. If it does, you just go ahead and click yes, and it takes a few minutes, but it'll update all the settings in the receiver and or the transmitter if required. But once that's done, I can now select a new model, and I can do that by hitting the select model button, or I can just tap the model in the corner of the screen there. And now I've got my options. So I'll go to four-wheel drive off-road electric, and I'm just going to keep swiping until I hit a TRX4, which now includes a few different models, because you've got the original Land Rover Defender, and you've also got the chassis kit and the Bronco and the tactical unit. So I can choose the Defender, not yet, or the chassis. There's your Bronco, there's your tactical unit, and cruise control should be functional for all of these, but I'll go ahead and choose the TRX4. And this gives me a chance to name it something else, so I'll go ahead and name it G-made GOM. And now it tells you that it's going to stop talking for a second to make the change. You don't want your car to take off on you, get the wheels off the ground, that sort of thing. But I'll go ahead and hit proceed. And now you can see that the app is updated, and it even labels it G-made GOM. I should now have cruise control, but I do need to make sure that the multi-function knob is set for cruise control, or it's assigned to cruise control. And that, of course, is done via the app. So we'll go to Drive Effects, and you just touch the image of the knob, and now cruise control is set to that knob. So with everything powered up, we've got throttle, and with cruise control, you just hold the speed you want, and instead of walking for a mile with your finger on the trigger, you hit the set button, and now it holds your throttle position. You can adjust the amount of cruise control speed at the dial. If you want to accelerate briefly and then let go, it'll return to whatever setting you've got. And to turn cruise control off, you just hit the brake, and now you're back to normal throttle. And I do have the complete Traxxas setup, but I have tried cruise control with non-Traxxas speed controls, and it does work. I haven't tried every brand, but it seems to be entirely built into the radio system, so you should be able to add cruise control to any model. I do like the entire power system though from the TRX4, so we're going to give it a try in the G-made GOM, and it should work out just fine. But since I was doing this, I thought it'd be a good quick video topic, so I hope that helped you out. There'll be some links in the description to the TQi transmitter, the 6533 receiver, other Traxxas pages that might help you out. But for now, a G-made GOM rebuild on the way with Traxxas equipment, and you'll probably see this in RC Car Action once it's all done. It's going to have some Proline stuff on there, paint up some new panels, that kind of stuff. Thanks for watching.